Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut and seed a pomegranate with no mess. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter, your favorite cooking channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a life hack. It's not even going to be a recipe. I'm going to show you how I clean a pomegranate. These guys are ridiculously healthy. They're very good for you. They're very juicy. They always add such brightness and freshness to any dish. And by the way, I'm gonna link some of the recipes where I use pomegranate seeds somewhere here, so you can click on the screen and transport yourself over there. But because they're so juicy, they can be really tricky to peel and clean. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. Since I'm handing out life hacks, this is also an important one, like a safety tip, so that your cutting board doesn't slide all over the place. I always take like a damp little cloth, I put it underneath, and then you put the board on top, and it stays nice and firm on your surface. Now what we need, well, I always need some coffee. By the way, if you don't know what this is my Chemex, and if you don't know how to use it, I'll link a video. I need my coffee, but for this life hack, we just need a bowl of cold water and a beautiful pomegranate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 4 incisions right on the top. Basically, we're gonna draw a square to remove the top. Now, any kind of movement that we do with the pomegranate, we're gonna do it under water so that all the splishes and splashes stay inside and not on our clothing. Come have a look. So it's just an incision here, here, on this side, and over here. Now, we put the pomegranate under water and we just remove the top. It's very simple. You see how easy that was? Now we leave the seeds here. We remove the pomegranate, and let's have a look inside. Do you see these white little thin membranes? Let's call them that. These are the lines which we are going to follow with a knife again. So we can clearly see one right here, and that's where we're going to make another incision right down the pomegranate. Same goes here. We just follow these lines, and we're making these cuts. Again, right here. And I think there's another one here. And one more over here. We're gonna go back to our bowl and just kind of open it up. Have a look. It's always submerged underwater. There we go. There we go. Now we just remove the middle part. Take out all of the seeds, and again, always do this when the pomegranate is submerged under water. Now to remove the seeds themselves, you just need to give them like a slight nudge. You don't want to apply too much pressure so that they don't break and we lose the juices. Just a small, gentle push, and they just come right out. Now, as you can see, what happens is the pomegranate seeds kind of fall to the bottom, and all of these pieces, they stay at the top. And it's just so easy to get rid of them. And you have beautiful, clean, ready to eat pomegranate seeds without the mess and without the stains. Now, I think that this is the easiest way to clean and seed a pomegranate, but if you have a better way, or if you know any life hacks, please let me know in the comments section below. I love these seeds. They're sweet and they're tart, and they just elevate any dish. Plus, they're like a nutritional powerhouse. Let me know if you want more life hacks, and I'll see you soon.